Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Nissan Juke and I will show you how to remove and replace front parking light bulbs. This video should apply to Nissan Jukes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Now you will have two bulbs to replace. One will be here, another one up here. So that's not too hard to replace. So the top one, okay, I will turn the flash on my phone. It's just up here, easily accessible. Now you don't have to disconnect this electrical connector here. All you have to do is turn the complete socket counterclockwise. I hope you can see it here. Just turn it and pull it out. And here is the bulb. Now to remove the bulb, just pull it straight out. In the description of the video I will also post part numbers for the light bulbs. When installing the bulb back in, you just push it in and then insert this socket back into the opening and turn it clockwise. If you have to replace the other bulb, it's gonna be located just here, you can see. So this one down there, this is a turn signal light bulb, and here is one more parking light bulb. So same thing like the top one, you just turn it counterclockwise to pull it out. Okay, this one is kind of stuck for me, so I'll have to try and do it using my other hand maybe. Okay, so I was able to twist it with my left hand. It's the same principle, nothing different. I just didn't have enough strength in my right hand fingers to turn it, but same thing like the top one. So to replace the bulb, just pull it out, right? That's it. Very easy to do. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.